Everything are latest products this week, 5 to 11 December 2024. 2T2R beamformer IC from 24 GHz to 29.5 GHz by Analog Devices. Sub-THD waveguide automated tuners from 110 to 330 GHz by Maori Microwave. 2 kilowatt pulsed solid-state power amplifier from 4 to 8 GHz by Exodus Advanced Communications. LDMOS power amplifier / signal source module from 2.4 to 2.5 GHz by Mini Circuits. 2 kilowatt LDMOS power amplifier from 1 to 400 MHz by Witek Electronics. Surface M8's fixed attenuators from DC to 30 GHz by Inmet by Spectrum Control. 3. Phage GaN power amplifier MMIC from 17 to 21.5 GHz by United Monolithic Semiconductors. 6409 from 300 kHz to 9 GHz by Copper Mountain Technologies. Non-PLL RF signal generators from 10 MHz to 6 GHz by Boonton. Ferrite chip inductors from 47 NH to 22 UH by Coilcraft. IP67/IP68 R-rated waterproof RF and microwave connectors by IntelliConnect. Cryogenic low noise amplifier from 4 to 8 GHz by Withwave. WR6 waveguide 2.8 minute medium. Coaxial adapter from 110 to 145 GHz by AT Microwave. Wideband low noise amplifier from 0.1 to 24 GHz by Urzia. LTE Advanced Cat 12/15 chip from 700 MHz to 3.8 GHz by GCT Semiconductor. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth LE 5.4 modules with Matter support for IoT applications by Silicon Labs. 868 MHz radio module for smart metering applications by Worth Electronic. Multi-band high-precision GNSS antenna from 1166 to 1602 MHz by U-Blox AG. 2.4/5 GHz Wi-Fi, 800 2.11 AC, and Bluetooth V5.0 SoC by Qualcomm. Pretty. SPDT reflective switch from 1 to 1000 MHz by Tagorier Technology. 7614 watt surface mount GaN hybrid power amplifier from 2.7 to 3.1 GHz by RFHIC. 10 watt power limiter from 1 to 18 GHz by Quantic PMI. Low profile coaxial RF connector from DC to 12 GHz by IPEX. 400 MHz quad-channel benchtop rubidium frequency calibrator/analyzer by Pendulum Instruments. Real-time spectrum analyzer with WR12 waveguide interface from 60 to 90 GHz by Aronia AG. 5 to 29 GHz variable frequency PLDRO with 100 MHz X reference by Polaris. 4-channel 16-bit arbitrary waveform generator up to 400 MHz by Spectrum Instrumentation. Bacra Gen 2 straight crimp plug RF connector from DC to 6 GHz by Amphenol RF. Keeping you up to date with the RF and microwave industry. EverythingRF.com